everybody. I am Elizabeth, but you can call me Libby. I am back with a Fashom unboxing. This was the first box that I ever did, the first company. I like Fashom because it's on demand. You don't have to have a monthly or bi-monthly or quarterly subscription. You just place an order when you want one. And when you first do it, you log on, you take a quiz, you answer some questions, and you can provide some background, the things that you want in your particular box. And your stylist will send you 7, and if you find 5 in the 7, they'll ship it out, or you can email back and get new ones. And I love it because I did where's my dog? I did a video call. And it was great. I felt like I was heard and they understood my style a little bit. And I've had the same stylist. So let's see if we have the same stylist here. This is a small box. I started in the winter, so I'm used to big boxes with heavy things in it. Okay. Inside you get your packet. You have 3 days to send things back or pick it. And if you keep everything, you get 30% off. If you keep 3 to 4 pieces, you get 15% off. So I'm going to look at this in a little bit. It comes with your return mailer. For every box, $1 goes to Second Chance Rescue in New York City. So that's awesome. But it's super cute inside. Look. Okay. All right. I'm trying to find a good place in my house to do the videos, so it's gonna be all over the place for a little bit until I figure it out. But here's my bundle. Oh, I'm super excited. I got a nice blue in there, polka dots. Oh, there's some things in here that are really super soft. So let's see what my stylist said. It's Courtney again. Okay. Hi Elizabeth, get excited. Your Fashom box has arrived. I am so glad you found some items that you loved from your previous box. I actually kept a sweater and gave it to my daughter because she has a couple concerts coming up and it's perfect. For this styling session, I saw you requested spring transitional dresses and tops for work. So I included some blouses that can be easily layered with a fun Andre by Unit polka dot blazer or worn alone. The 2 dresses are also great for the office and will transition well into spring. Can't wait to hear what you think of everything. I hope you find some new pieces to add to your wardrobe, and feel free to request specific items in your box for next time if you wish. Please leave feedback on how everything fits. Enjoy, your stylist, Courtney. Okay, let's get in. I love this part. Sorry. Crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. Okay, up first, this is Skies Are Blue frill cap sleeve dress for $56. That's a great price for a dress. Look at this color. Oh, it's got little frilly sleeves. It's got a cute little ruffle and some covered buttons. Looks like elastic on the waist and maybe knee length. It's fully lined. Oh, this is great. So this is in, Skies Are Blue in a 2X color ink blue. And I can't find the material. It's in the lining. Here we go. It is 100% polyester lining. That doesn't help. I'll find it. Okay. So I'm excited. I really love spring dresses. That's kind of my wardrobe at work. Up next, this is by Geely. This is the Bonnie shoulder knot detail top. This is $48. It's sleeveless. It's got the little knot on the side. It's got a seam in the back. Can you see the little specks in here? It's sort of like a heathered gray, but what color do they call this? Oatmeal. It's an oatmeal. So that might be a good layering piece. It's pretty see-through, but I'll give it a shot. Up next is by Geely again, the Rena sundress, $64. Oh, this is super cute. Okay. This material is fantastic. This is Geely. This is it a 2X? There's no, that's kind of funny. There's no size on here. Yes, 2X. It's got a crossover, little flutter sleeve, and it's tiered on the bottom. Oh, I can't wait to put this on. It's a really pale green, like a really light sage. That's what it's called. So yay, I'm excited about that. Okay, now we have Mito Shop Amanda tie front knit top. This is a new brand. I've never heard of them. It's blue, navy stripes, little white stripes in there. It's got, I think this is blue, or is this gray? Dusky blue. And then it's got the tie at the bottom. This is out of my comfort zone, but I'm going to give it a shot. And then this, I am pumped about this. This is Andre by Unit. It's a 1X. Hope we can fit my arms and my shoulders in. It's navy. It is a blazer, navy and polka dots. It does not match the dresses, but it matches the little kind of oatmeal-y top. So I'm going to try it on. I cannot wait. I am super excited. This one is right up my alley. So I'll be back. Okay. So this is the Andre by Unit Mia polka dot jacket. And underneath is the Bonnie shoulder knit knot detail top by Geely. So it's kind of cute. I'll get to the top in a minute, but this I'm surprised is not tight. It's a good length. These are just my jeans I got from my very first Fashom box. But it just is enough to cover the bottom. It's got a little bit of a lapel, no buttons, no pockets. It's just kind of a put together and go. Now, see, this might be the issue though. I want to pull it a little closed, but then it gets funky with the flap. But this is cute. This one is $45, which is great for a jacket. If I keep 3, it's $38.25. If I keep all of them, it's $31.50. So I'm going to take this off and I'm going to show you the shirt underneath. So here's the knot detail, just a little gathered. It's a plain top. It's a good length. You know, it's got decent coverage in the back. This is just, I don't think I'm going to pull for this, but let's see. This is the Geely Bonnie shoulder knot detail, originally $48. If I buy 3 items, it's $40.80. And if I buy all 5 items, it's $33.60. So, you know, it's okay. I think I would probably wear a t-shirt, more of a white t-shirt underneath for the summer. Okay, so let me try the next blouse on. Okay, so here's the next top. This one is the Mito Shop Amanda tie front knit top. It's $42. For 15% off is $35.70. And if I keep it all, it's $29.40. It's cute. It's super comfortable. This is the back. It's really soft. The material's great. It's got this great little, pardon, I'm losing weight and I'm having a difficult time finding bras that fit me. So I got to go get fitted, but it's got a cute little neck here. It's just comfortable and relaxed, and I'm wondering if it's a little too big. I'm wondering if I need to size down a size, because I think this is a 2X. I think I might need the 1X. This is just too much space, but it's super cute. It would be really cool for summer if you're going to an amusement park or, you know, concert, you're going to be out in the hot sun. It's super comfortable. The armholes aren't too low, which is kind of nice. Definitely bra friendly. You just got to get the right bra on like me. All right, what do you think? Okay, so this is by Julie. This is the Rena sundress. $64. 15% off is $54.40. 30% off is $44.80. This feels like I am not wearing anything. It is so light and breezy. I think it's super cute. I have a weird thing with my knees, and it covers my knees. But it's not too long. Right? So here's the material. It's a sage green with little whites. I would have to put a cami or something underneath, but the sleeves are cute little flutter sleeve. They don't show too much underneath. This is just a cute little summer play dress. Do you call them play dresses? My family calls them play dresses. I don't know if that's a holdover from when we were little or not. It's a good length. Here's the back. It's got the ruffles. Well, one kind of 2 tiers here on the bottom. I really like this. What do you think? Just a fun little running around in the summer. Could even throw this on as a cover up when you go to the pool. This is super cute. I love this one, but what do you think? All right, one more dress. Okay, and this, last but not least, is the Geyser Blue frill frill cap sleeve dress. It's $56 or $47.60 or $39.20. If I kept everything in the box, it would be $178.50. Originally $255, which is $178.50 is great for 5 pieces. Okay, so this, my daughter is not a fan. She said it's too much, that this doesn't do anything for me. But I love this color, and it feels comfy, even though it's lined. It doesn't feel super heavy. It still feels like a little breezy and swingy. It does have the elastic waist. It's got covered buttons, the ruffle neckline, and like the little frilly sleeves. Here's the back. Just as, you know, blue sewn. I love this color. It's a really, really pretty blue, but my daughter said she likes the other dress better. What do you think? I can wear both to work. I'm a professor, so it's not like I have a dress code that I have to stay by. This one's also knee length. Good length. Both of them are. So if you had to pick, would you pick the green dress or this blue one? Okay. All right, I'm going to get redressed, and we're going to come back and talk about everything. Okay, so I'll scoot forward here a little bit so I'm in the frame. Ignore the shoes. Anyway, so I don't know what to do here. I took the blue dress downstairs, showed my partner Ben, and he likes it. But my daughter was like, Mom, it's too much. She's 14 and wears, you know, black. So I don't know. I need your help. So, I mean, it's a pretty good box, right? But let's go through these. This, my daughter loves. She loves this. She said it's super cute. It's not too big on me. It's just a fun summer one. That's the $42 shirt. Then this white one, or this oatmeal one's going back. This is not, just not for me. It's super cute. It would be great paired with like faux leather leggings and like a little moto jacket over top. That would be kind of a cute little moment. Take your moto jacket off and have the fun neckline. I am going to think about this. I might actually ask for this whenever fall comes. Because I don't think I'm going to be reaching for these. It's supposed to be in the 70s this week, so I don't think I'm going to be wearing this until September or October. So I actually might just make a note on my stylist to please bring this back in my box in September so that I can start wearing it. All right, I love this little play dress. It's super cute. This one was the $64, so it's an expensive play dress. And if I only have to pick one, should I pick the sage or should I pick the blue? I'm only wearing the blue to work and like maybe Sunday to church, Easter, but I'm not wearing it over the summer. It's too heavy, too formal. This one is $56. All right, so help me pick. Let me know, what should I keep? What should I send back? And I think I have another box coming tomorrow. So I'm excited. I might wait to make some choices before I see what's in that box. But thanks for spending a little bit of time with me, and I hope to see you soon.